distinguished guests, especially the editors from different places. Especially, I know there are some people who came from Delhi also. And Alapon Bandyopadhyay already mentioned all the names of the councils, councillors, or the councils or the ambassadors or the editors' name also. So I don't think that there is a need to again to mention the name. But of course, including the Country Director for India World Bank, Mr. Junaid Kamal Ahmed, Mr. Yasmin Ali Haq, UNICEF, Mr. Muhammad Mahiuddin, UNICEF, West Bengal, Deepanita Kaushik, UNDP, Mr. Consul General United States of America, Deputy Consul General Australian Consulate, Deputy High Commissioner of Bangladesh, Consul General of Bhutan, British Deputy High Commissioner, Consul General of China, Consul General of France, Consul General of the Federal Republic of Germany, Consul General of Italy, Acting Consul General of Japan, Consul General of India and Myanmar, Consul General of Nepal, Consul General of Thailand, Consul Thailand, Consul Thailand, Times Editor-in-Chief, DC, Mr. Rahul Shivashankar, Rajiv Sardesha, India Today, he is here. Subrat Nath Choudhury, Reuters, Shautik Vishwas, BBC Pictures Editor, BBC, Isani Dr. Roy, ABP Editor, Anindya Jara, ABP Digital, Devashish Bhattacharya, ABP Editor Political, Himanshu Sinha, Bartman Editor, Abhijit Bhattacharya, Hira Bandyopadhyay, এই সময় Editor, Sunanda Sarkar, TOI, Times of India Resident Editor, Anjan Bandyopadhyay, জি 24 ঘন্টা, বিশ্ব মজুমদার, টিভি 18 Editor East, সম্রাট ঘোষ, জি এন্টারটেইনমেন্ট লিমিটেড, অভিষেক মন্ডল, স্টার জলসা নেটওয়ার্ক, বিশ্বম্বর নিউইয়র্ক, তাজা টিভি চ্যানেল এন্ড সপ্তাহে চিফ এডিটর, কৌস্তব রয়, ক্যালকাটা টিভি, বিবেক গুপ্তা, সম্মান এডিটর, রাজন রায়চৌধুরী, বাংলা টাইমস এডিটর, ভূষণ মুক্ত, খবর 365 ডেজ এডিটর, লীনা গঙ্গোপাধ্যায়, চেয়ারম্যান, ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল Commission of Women, and also she is a good writer, and also the printmakers and all this. Already my good friend, Chief Secretary, it is just like of having all the officials and all the my colleagues, especially my ministers, Subrata Mukhopadhyay, Partha Chattopadhyay, Firad Hakim, Indranil Sen, DG Police Virender Ji, SSA Shurojit Purkasto, my Kolkata Police Commissioner Rohit Sharma, and all the important officials, including Home Secretary, Finance Secretary, and other secretaries, all are present here. And I invite all of your attention to see that my health secretary is there, Mr. Narayan Nigam, my third SC/ST, then Chima, Mr. This Tiger Development, then this Chief Taxi, my Shubhaya is there, then Manish Jain is there, education, then Pardeep is there also, then this MAME, Golam is also there, Rashmi is also there, Nobin is also there, this Mr. Rao is also there, this Chotan Lama is also there, then my this Rohat Mishra is also there, next to Sunil Gupta is also there. So there are so many, and even Manas Khan, Naveen Patnaik, Naveen, my PWD principal secretary, and the others are also there. So there are so many other officials also, and the team who helped us for this program. Thank you so much. I think Alapon Bandyopadhyay detailed discussed about the program and about the concept of the program, and it is in Bengal, so they are speaking Bengali because it will be helpful for my people because they have to see it also. দুয়ারে সরকার প্রোগ্রামটা খুব ভালো প্রোগ্রাম, এগুলো বলছি। It is not that we are doing it today. Somebody may question, Are you doing it in front of any, when the election is knocking the door? No, not that. It is a third step. First step, when our government came in, or 2011, from then, I personally, along with my all cabinet colleagues, and all the principal secretaries of the department and secretaries, we went to the grassroots level. 500 meetings already we have done. Myself and with my colleagues. It is not that the people are coming from district to state headquarters. We went there at the grassroots level, and from there the district, every IC, every BDO, every SDO, every line department, all are present, including industrial chambers, including university students, including the line department, all they were present. So we have completed first stage, the 500 review meeting. My second stage is that we started our Duare Sarkar program next, because government first went to the villages or the district. Second, the villagers came to government, but it is just nearby their door. That's why it is saying that they said that it is a Duare Sarkar program. দরজার সামনে মানুষ দরজার সামনে জমায়েত হয়েছে, তার যা যা সমস্যা আছে, কন্যাশ্রী স্টুডেন্ট, ঐক্যশ্রী স্টুডেন্ট, শিক্ষাশ্রী স্টুডেন্ট, স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ স্কলারশিপ স্টুডেন্ট, রূপশ্রী যাকে বিয়ে ব্যাপার আছে, মেয়েদের 25,000 টাকা করে দেওয়া, প্লাস দেখুন এসসি এসটি সার্টিফিকেট পেতে লেটে হলো, সেই এসসি এসটি সার্টিফিকেট from this Duare Sarkar will clear 10 lakhs SC certificate, OBC certificate. From Duare Sarkar, more than 2.5 crore people, out of 10 crore people in Bengal, the Duare Sarkar, the camps visited by 2.5 crore people, and we have already given them relief about 78% people. They have already got there all the whatever they asked. Somebody asked pension, somebody asked scholarship, somebody asked ration, somebody asked Sastho Sati. 2-3 points I want to mention it for the national channel, international channel, my Bengal people, I think they know. One is Sastho Sati. The Sastho Sati means in Bengal it is free treatment for all. The hospital, they don't take money. We don't take money for bed, even for the medicines or for operation, nothing. Even heart operation, kidney operation, all are free of cost. Instead of that, we started so many fair price diagnostic center and the fair price medicine shop also. Instead of that, there are some private hospitals, nursing home, even like AIMS, Hello, even like these also. We are giving 5 lakhs cashless card to the all family. 10 crores, 10 crores. And they can go to private nursing home also. They can go for treatment every year, they will get 5 lakhs rupees instead of government free treatment. And we empower the women in this regard. Women is the guardian of the family. We are issuing our smart card to the guardian. In India, sometimes the Prime Minister says, Ayushman, it is only 20% people know, not that, 10% know. That also 60% central government is giving, 40% state government is giving. And this Shaswati we are giving 100%. 100%. And I am happy to announce that out of 10 crore people, 10 crore people will be covered with this Shaswati program. Already 75% people we have already distributed our smart card, and others, because the election coming, so when the election will be notified, for that reason again they will be issued the temporary card also. And after that, in real process, in natural process, they will get that smart card. One thing for them, even you will be happy to know that within this, this is not 10 years government. Let the May month is over, then it will be 10 years. And within that, 1 year it is because of COVID pandemic, we are facing the crisis, everybody. COVID also we have tackled at together, COVID and AMFA both. But we tackled it very well. Now there is no COVID, just only few. But I can tell you one thing. In Bengal, we have set up 43 new multinational hospitals for hospitals. In every district, mother and child hub. The trauma center too, for pediatric treatment, 300. The SNSU, more than 80 the SNCU. In every subdivision there is a HDU unit, there is a ICC unit. Here our facilities, even Bihar people are taking facilities from Bengal. The Jharkhand people are coming for treatment here. Even sometimes from border area also people are coming for treatment also here. Because they are getting the free treatment and good treatment. Our doctors, we are proud to say, our doctors is better than any other parts of the country now. They are very, very well established and very, very good talented doctors. And our sisters, our health workers all. So this is called Swasthya, one unique program where nobody will think that tomorrow if there is any sufferings for me, where I'll go, where I'll give the treatment and go where. They should not cry on the road. They are smiling now. They are happy, mentally satisfied, no mental pollution. They are totally tension free for this health condition. Number two, and you will be happy to know that the parameters of the health, the institution delivery. When you came in, that time the percentage was 65% institution delivery. But now it is 99%. Because there are some isolated deep Bay of Bengal. There are some hilly areas, there are some forest areas, deep jungles. But there also we started all the transit care. There we bring the pregnant women and we give the treatment and we arrange all these things for them. Even if anybody is unwell, we send the ambulance to the pregnant mothers. Or until the child is 1 year, we give full free ambulance to them so that they can come to the hospital and they can get free treatment. Like this, other thing is food khadya sati. That is, we cover 10 crores of 10 crores people. We are giving free ration. 5 kg per family, per head or person. Suppose there is a 5 members family, they get 25 kg in monthly free. Rice free, the wheat free, what you want. Out of 10 crores are totally free. So food is totally free, health is totally free. And for education, I have CCC, for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, minorities, OBC. For general caste also, I have Kanyasri, because all the girl child of the school. It is not only few child. All the girl child in the government school, colleges and universities. 3-tier Kanyasri program is there. There is no division, either Hindu or Muslim or Sikh or Ishai. All the general caste people is being also included. So the students, they get scholarship 8 to 10, the general, but scheduled caste from 5 to 8. Then Adivasi also, OBC also. And college also they get, if they became 18 years and not to marry, they will give 25,000 rupees to that girl child also. Then they go to university. University also we are giving scholarship, 2,500. So there is no problem for the girl child in Bengal. It is the dropout rate has gone like anything. Dropout rate is very few, I think 7% or something in the Madhyamik exam and 10 years, and higher secondary it is about 9%. I've seen it. Particularly don't show me your eyes, because I have already seen the record.
9%, got it from 9%, 7%.
That I said 12%, 9%. I have seen that. That's why I thought that you will say that I am quoting the wrong figures. It's not. As a then, like this, minorities also we have given a scholarship within these years more than 2 crores. SC/ST more than 70 lakhs. And in general also we have the Swami Vivekananda scholarship program. There also we give the in general class, general caste also we give the program. We have the economic poverty sections. So there also we get the general caste also. We have 17% reservation, OBC reservation in Bengal. Out of that, 99% the Muslims are also included there, resulting in which now the people are coming as professors, engineer, doctors, IAS, IPS, even students. We are giving training to the students, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. Students are under this training. Students, they are coming as a doctor, engineers, this IAS, the IPS, the civil service. They are conquering the world. It's very good for them. So education, food, bread and butter. If you ask me today, if you see the today's report, again Bengal became number 1 in 100 days work. Even without, instead of this COVID, we created 1.14 job mandates. Am I correct, Mr. Rao? No, I said 1.1 crore the employment, the mandates. Workers, yes. And is it a fact that we have become topper today? So many people, they say so many things against the Bengal, but they do not know the actual, what is the grassroots saying. So I think it will be an ideal model. There are so many things I can say. The school students, they get 9 class free cycle. More than 1 crore free cycle we distributed. This year also within a month 20 lakhs is ready for them. Now more than 9 lakhs 12 class students we get free smartphone. Free iPhone? Manish, is it okay? কত দিয়েছো? বলো একটু। ইংরেজিতে বলো না, সবাই আছে অনেকে ইংরেজি হলো।
And your direction we have already directly transferred after 21st of February, after you have launched the scheme. 9 lakh students, they have got direct benefit in their account and direct to 9,000 to help them either in purchasing laptop, this tablet PC or this smartphone as on the CMC.
Okay, thank you. So like this, if you see that free cycle, free scholarship, free tab, whatever you say, the smartphone or this, that they are getting. Even the poor, the cultural artists, 2 lakhs we are giving 1,000 rupees scholarship for them. The baul, the kirtaniya, the other music, whatever. And also we have so many old age pension, this Glory Shelter program. 15 lakhs application received and delivered 15 lakhs. Out of 15 lakhs we are getting. Even Manavik, it is for physically challenged, the boys, and this is for age. This is the grassroots, and from grassroots we distributed all these things. My workers, they work so hard. From health workers to education workers to every workers. My officers, they also work very hard. Even all the block, municipality. I salute to my people, including police administration. And you know, Calcutta became the first safest city since 3 years, 4 years. Even Bengal also, we have Save Life program. From the even accident also, today also Alaponi was saying that what are today's meeting development?
Honorable Supreme Court has formed a committee matter to review road safety in the entire country, and the chairperson will be the retired Supreme Court judge, the secretary and other members. They were all praised for West Bengal's top-notch achievements in the realm of road safety and the campaign Safe Drive, which was envisioned by it. We are probably the topper in achieving road safety in Uttarakhand.
And another thing, Alapur should have tell you that from logo to name, the branding.
Exactly. It's honestly and literally true, from the branding to each logo to design of each logo, to get the whole thing crafted and distributed finally in the public sphere. The entire thing has been personally done by Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.
One work from Vishwabangla to Duare Sarkar. So thank you so much. I will invite my guest, honorable guest. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask me. I'm there, my officers are there, and also my chief secretary, Home Secretary, all are there. If you have any queries, any clarifications,
Junaid Sir, World Bank Country Director Junaid Sir, would you like to say something, please?
hey, দেখো মিউট করে আছে
Unmute for.
Bringing government close to the people is the modern challenge of statehood. And West Bengal has made this an ongoing reality because of your continuous support to panchayats, to local governments, and now through these programs which brings local government into these programs. This is not only a scheme, it's actually creating a system on the ground. And I think that this is something that, given our support to the local government programs of West Bengal, please count on our support in the future to ensure that these programs indeed will be at the doorstep of government. I can tell you that the data that we have picked up during the COVID crisis, 95% of the state population received at least one benefit from the COVID relief. And that is one of the most outstanding performances of the state. And I think that following that, the work that you are doing now to target vulnerable population and also to deal with the labor force participation of women, which is a national challenge, that these two areas, I think, will benefit from Duare Sarkar. There is no doubt about it. So from our side, congratulations to you, Chief Minister, and we think that we can bring all of these programs into local governments. It will be a very different West Bengal in the coming years. শুধু একটি অনুরোধ, একটু মেদিনীপুর দিয়ে খেয়াল রাখবেন, নাহলে আমার নানিকে জবাব দিতে হবে আমার।
মেদিনীপুর কোথায়? মেদিনীপুর কোথায়?
মেদিনীপুরের শহরেরই আমার
আমি কদিন আগে গিয়েছিলাম, করে এসেছি ওখানে। ভালো থাকবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
থ্যাংক ইউ।
Dr. Yasmin Ali Haq, UNICEF India representative, would you like to say something, ma'am?
আপনি ভালো আছেন তো? ভালো আছেন তো?
নমস্কার। এবছর আশা হলো না আপনাদের ওদিকে, নাহলে বছরে দুবার তো যাই কলকাতা। So I really miss not going, আর আপনার সাথে দেখা হলো না সামনাসামনি, তো ওটা ক্ষমা করে দিবেন। নিশ্চয়ই এই প্যান্ডেমিকটা একটু হাতে মুঠায় আসুক, তারপরে ডেফিনেটলি আসবো। Just a few things, Chief Secretary, really to congratulate you and your teams who have been working so hard on these various schemes coming together for the welfare of people, especially the most marginalized. And even if it's an old age pension, the benefits do trickle to children because the grandparents also contribute to childcare in many ways, as we know in our villages. Whether it's Kumnashri or Oikoshri or Tai Johar or Shastra Shati or Shikhasri, all these campaigns really are looking at children's well-being, so that they are able to grow to their full potential, which is really a core mandate for UNICEF, and we're very proud to be a partner of the West Bengal government in taking this forward. I also was very happy to learn about the Parai Samadhan, which really for me also speaks to the point that people have the agency to make changes in their own lives, in their own neighborhoods. And I think that would be really a dimension that we really like to see, how we can have people taking more control of their lives and that they can bring about change when they do have all the different schemes to really help them along the way, to support them along the way, to give them a buffer. Even at the scheme club, I'm sure we will be seeing in West Bengal a change, and I think it's important that we also work together to measure that change. I was visiting school at Thaksina. How are the women doing? Are they participating in the labor force? Are we seeing more girls joining the IAS, IPS, etc.? I think these are the elements which is the next stage that we can all come together and really show the evidence of what works and where we need to put in our attention, because it doesn't always work in a cookie cutter approach. And we do need to be looking at the various bottlenecks. So, Onek Dhanyabad, and really appreciate inviting me for this occasion. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm here on behalf of Ms. Shoko Nora, the resident representative of UNDP India. UNDP has been always working in the area of sustainable human development, and the Duare Sarkar program of Government of West Bengal is an excellent example of the very important thing, that is the political will of the government to get things done, to make things happen. It's a very excellent example of that, and I'm sure that with the success of this program, I'm sure, as we say in the UN, that no one should be left behind. That is the aim. So I think with a program like this, I'm definitely sure no one will be left behind. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Madam, we have with us today very distinguished Consuls General and Deputy High Commissioners. In case you would like to say something, Ms. Hoffman or Mrs. C, anyone who volunteers to speak on behalf of the Consular Corps?
So just to thank Honorable Chief Minister and Secretary for inviting us here today to learn more about the efforts of your government on behalf of the people of West Bengal, and we commend you for your efforts. And it's a big challenge for any government, and it's obviously you've done a lot of hard work, and thank you for the opportunity to learn more about it this afternoon and for inviting us.
On behalf of the national media, we have requested some very distinguished representatives to be with us today. Mr. Rahul Shivshankar, editor-in-chief of Times Now, was supposed to come and join at the last moment due to circumstances in Delhi. He was caught. He is there with us in Zoom. Rahulji, would you like to speak to the Honorable Minister?
Thank you so much, first of all, Honorable Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, for actually inviting me to this historic outreach on the part of your government. It looks like a very sweeping program where the government is trying to assist a large number of people. I obviously must congratulate you for taking this step, because obviously there are a large number of people, as some of the more distinguished panelists here from the World Bank and UNDP, etc., suggesting, who get left behind in the development process. So targeted schemes are extremely, extremely important. I just wanted to understand from you, what is the feedback mechanism that you have in place, because sometimes the schemes are very well intentioned, but the implementation can be obviously a problem. It's a massive state, and over the last 10 years, we've seen a lot of changes and very more positive changes. But obviously, when you target schemes to various sections of the population, it becomes very important to have perhaps an alternative feedback mechanism to give you unfiltered information on the efficacy of the implementation of these schemes. And I'm really sorry I couldn't be there today. I would love to have met you in person, so do forgive me. But as you know, there has been unfortunate developments in the Union capital which have led me to stay back and direct the operations here. So I would love to meet you again and talk to you a little bit more in detail about your outlook on the state as far as development is concerned. Thank you so much.
I welcome you again in Calcutta. Let this problem is over. Then as per our confidence, you please to come. We will welcome you. And number two, you asked me that how this is, whether it is being implemented or not. That how do we do all these things? We have the monitoring scheme. Under the leadership of Chief Secretary, we have all the important department, whichever the department is related to these social schemes, which is social security schemes. So they are the member of this committee, expert team, and every day they sit together, and every day they collect information from district magistrate, and district magistrate collect the information from the block level officers, and every day through this virtual, because of this COVID situation, and we cannot withdraw all the officers every day from the district. So what we do that from virtual conference Chief Secretary every day he monitors the things, and there is a system that every day how many applications is being received and how many applications is being how many things have been done. So all they have the papers with them, and every day we do the monitoring, and whatever the people get the benefit, we try to write the letter to them also that your case is being considered. Or if somebody is not doing the things rightly, if anything faulty or anything, then we rectify it. And they rectify this. Like this, we do it 365 days. But now as a special program, you can say that yes, we are doing it 24 hours.
Thank you so much.
So much.
We have another very distinguished celebrity national editor and anchor person who makes us proud by joining us here. Rajiv, would you like to say something here? Or?
Thank you very much, Mr. Chief Secretary. First of all, I want to thank you, Madam Chief Minister, because I know someone who's a direct beneficiary of your Swasthya Saathi scheme, someone who works with me. His son had a hole in his heart and he was desperate to get his surgery. And I'm very grateful also to your Member of Parliament, Kapuli Ghosh Dastidar, who took up his case, got him the smart card so he can now avail up to 5 lakhs per year for his son's surgery. My only request is that, as I saw from his case, because literacy levels at times are not always very high, people sometimes struggle to know exactly how the benefits which your government has can reach them. Kapuli Ghosh Dastidar was very supportive in helping him out. But I think maybe that is again a concern that he seemed to have. That at the local level, if he had had more support, he could have got it faster. So I think it's a great scheme in terms of how it has helped people transform their lives. I only hope that it can be streamlined even further, so that there is no bureaucratic interface at the local level, which perhaps delays sometimes the issuance of cards. So
actually, it is delayed because of the some private nursing homes. So now we have already, my Chief Secretary already addressed the nursing homes, all the private nursing homes, that you cannot refuse the card. And in our card it is been written that we have to go, how to go and what is the system. That is details we are giving the card and the details instruction also. So only we started, earlier it was about 1.5 crores, but now it will cover 10 crores. So it will take some time, but it is already working, it is started working fully. But if any problem is there, I think it is a fact that Arapur will set up a committee so that from health department there must be a toll-free number or something. We have already, but it should be just popularized through TV channels, digital, it should be popularized so that more people cannot wait, because disease cannot wait. The card can wait, but disease cannot wait.
I really want to congratulate you because I think this is a transformative scheme and it genuinely is helping people who desperately need it. Health and education, I think, are truly transformative. And I also see with Kanyashree, you changed the lives of many people. So many congratulations for doing this. Congratulations.
Thank you, Ashish. Thanks a lot. You came from Delhi. You're taking too much trouble. Delhi is totally out of control now.
Maybe I'm a son-in-law of Bengal.
Good gesture that you came. Otherwise, Sagarika should have quarreled with you.
When you are a son-in-law of Bengal, difficult to say no to come to Bengal.
And thank you so much.
All the senior editors of print and electronic channels.
Reuters বলুন
Shubhrata Nagchodhuri, who represents Reuters, is not.
কিছু বলার আছে Reuters সুব্রত বলো
Thank you very much for inviting us to this program. We are witnessing every day in our locality, in our neighborhood, how this schemes have, evoked a response, huge response. We did not have to come here at Navata to see. We are witnessing in most of the areas. But the only concern is, this is such a huge scheme and we only expect that there is a proper follow-up system so that it's ensured that this scheme trickle down to the deprived. That's all. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lily.
that continuous monitoring is also there, and I think if election also comes, the scheme will not suffer. That chief secretary and all the officers, they will take care of that. It is their duty. One figure I am giving that has forgotten the rural loads. If you see, before 2011, 60-70 years within this, it was number was 29,706 kilometers. And within our time, I am telling you, 89,574 kilometers. Then next 5 years, new road estimated 46,000 kilometers. And also Potho station project 18,000 already we are doing. That means more than 1.5 lakhs, 50 lakhs instead of this 29,000. That you can compare, even the road sector also. DTC নেই অন্যরা বলুন এখানে আলুবাজি থেকে শুরু করে সবাই আছে
ঈশানী কিছু বলুন
all these things need to be, properly monitored and also promise that it is being properly monitored. And let all these things, abolish the system of political middlemen and women. Who sometimes create troubles in, getting things implemented or reaching all the benefits of the schemes to the common people. So all these schemes and delivery forward to eliminate all these middlemen systems. That's not only.
I think you have got some information that so many opposition political party leaders also, they are also doing the Shastro Shati card and Adho Shati card. We are so happy. There should not be any discrimination. We are not doing it also. Thank you so much for your suggestion.
Shunanta Babu, Times of India resident.
First of all, I would like to thank you for inviting us. This is a great scheme. I have seen very few schemes which have tried to tackle a task this huge. The scope of the scheme and also the number of beneficiaries. All in success.
Himanshu আছে না হিমাংশু কিছু বলবেন
First of all, congratulations to the Chief Minister and Chief Secretary for inviting us. This is a very proud moment for the West Bengal government announcing that all schemes have been launched and it is reaching the people at the ground level. And government at the doorstep is the concept that everyone should follow. And what everyone said, that proper monitoring and proper assessment of what is going on at the ground level and keeping bottlenecks, that removing the bottlenecks will make this a grand success. Thank you.
ঠিকই বলেছে, আমাদের সমস্ত ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ম্যাজিস্ট্রেটরা প্রেজেন্ট আছেন, এসডিওরা আছেন, বিডিওরা আছেন, এসপিরা আছেন, আইসিরা আছেন, সবাই যেটা বলছে ওটা শুনতে পাচ্ছেন। আপনারা অনেক কাজ করেছেন, কিন্তু আপনারও আমাদের করতে হবে। কাজের শেষ করে কোনো কথা নেই, যেটা আমরা করেছি সেটাকে ধরে রাখবার জন্য আগামী দিনেও দেখবেন যেন মানুষ তার সেবা থেকে বঞ্চিত না হয়, তারা যেন টাইমলি তাদের সেবাটা পায় এবং আমরা যেন সকলে ভালো ব্যবহার করি। কারণ ভালো ব্যবহার করতে কিন্তু কোনো পয়সা লাগে না, ভালো ব্যবহার করে একটা মানুষকে রিলিফ দিলে মানুষ তাকে অনেক আশীর্বাদ করে। আমি আমার ডিস্ট্রিক্ট ম্যাজিস্ট্রেটদের থ্রুতে আমি সমস্ত বিডিও, এডিএম, আমি জেলা পরিষদ, গ্রামসভা, পঞ্চায়েত সমিতি, মিউনিসিপ্যালিটি থেকে শুরু করে আমি এসপি, আইসি যাদেরই বলবো, যারা যেখানে কোনো প্রবলেম দেখবেন গরিব লোকের, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আপনারা ইন্টারফেয়ার করবেন। যেমন কমিটির সময় বলেছিলাম একজনও যেন না খেয়ে থাকে, এবং আপনারা প্রত্যেকে করেছিলেন। এমনকি ট্রান্সজেন্ডার্স, এমনকি প্রস্টিটিউট এরিয়া, রেড লাইট এরিয়া, we also work for them also. The small stars, we help all of them. So please take care that there should not be any people who are harming.
Madam Shoti Vishwash, BDC Teacher Secretary is there on the screen. Shoti, would you like to say something?
Yeah, I just joined, now I was kind of busy with some other things, but this sounds very, very interesting, and I would like to come to Bengal and have a close look at how this is implemented. খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং মনে হচ্ছে, তাই আমার ইচ্ছা আছে এসে এটা দেখার।
হ্যাঁ, ওই দিকে হাত নিচে আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
Please.
Honourable Chief Minister, thank you very much indeed for inviting us here this afternoon. I'm Nick Loberishvili, High Commissioner. As my distinguished American colleague has said, speaking on behalf of the community, what you are doing is directly relevant to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and there's nothing party political about that. That is moral duty for the entire international community. All the UN member states have signed up to achieving those goals. We congratulate you on the steps you are taking to do so. Also, as I look across the room, I see this beautiful diorama of blue and of green, and it reminds me that we have another moral duty, which is to hand a planet of blues and greens to our children and our children's children, and we know that Bengal is one of the most climate vulnerable places in the world, and no one is more impacted by climate change than the very poor and the very vulnerable. It's to express my commitment. I speak together with my Italian colleague, with whom we will be co-hosting the United Nations Conference of Parties, the so-called Climate Summit, in November this year, to continue our very close work with your government on boosting adaptation, resilience, clean energy, clean transport, and all the other things we need to ensure that the world we inherited when we were small we hand over as we would wish to have found it to our children and our children's children. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. You will be happy to know that we have the e-transport system, we have the clean and green the program also, and this time also after this Amphan, there is the big storm, we have decided to plant about 5 crores this mangrove in the Bay of Bengal areas, and also every city area, every town area. And for climate change, we are very much worried about that, and we are very much sincere also about that. So climate change, we are always taking care for that. And Bengal will appreciate that we have so much rivers, so much small ponds, and we have already I think you must say regarding we have a scheme. I will request my principal secretary to review just within a minute.
of this state, wherein all the participants and all the agencies, they are working towards conservation of water. As we know, Western Laterite zone in West Bengal has plenty of rainfall, but because of percolations, the water is not stored properly. So in the last, from 2012, this campaign was launched, and so far around 329,000 water bodies have been created, which has given great help to farmers.
About 3 million water bodies are created.
And this has finally graduated into another program called Mati Srishti, where the water conservation has led to creation of orchard on the fallow land, where we have been able to now do a lot of work in this 4-5 months during COVID. Around 7,000 acres of land has been brought into plantation with a lot of intercropping being done by women self-help groups. Thank you.
Please.
আজকে কিছু বলতে চাই, লীনাদি তুমি কিছু বলবে? ও থাকে।
Namaskar Didi, Vipin Devar from Tada TV. My father Vishwamar Devar has not been able to come, so he has sent me and Rupesh to represent our media house. I would say that it is the role of the media to point out where the government schemes have not been reaching. And we have been there in this state representing majorly because we are Hindi channel and a Hindi newspaper. So the people who have Hindi speaking people who have come from other states also, we are reaching out to them, and we have always been pointing out the problems and the solutions which the government has provided. And we thank you that the freedom of the press is properly given here, and where you have done good, you have praised that. Wherever we have found some flaws, we have been critical, and the government has taken it up very nicely. And this scheme, which now is reaching out to people, I assure you from the media that yes, if there are good things, we will point it out, and if there is something which needs to be pointed out which is not happening properly, we will definitely not hesitate in criticizing that. And we hope that definitely you will address those things, and the people will be the ultimate beneficiaries. Thank you.
Thank you, Rinadi.
নমস্কার, আমি প্রথমে আমার অভিনন্দন জানাতে চাই আমাদের মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়কে। And as a writer, I believe I have some commitment, and I should work on this through my writing. Thank you.
বসে আছে আর স্টার জলসায় বসে আছে, ওকে বলে যে সিরিয়ালগুলোতে একটুখানি সত্যি ঘটনাগুলো দেখাতে, অ্যাকচুয়াল ফিগার, অ্যাকচুয়াল ফ্যাক্টস, সেখানে কিছু লোকে আরো জানতে পারবে।
থ্যাংক ইউ দিদি, নিশ্চয়ই আমরা চেষ্টা করবো।
আর কেউ বলবেন? অনিন্দ বলবেন? আচ্ছা, ওখানে পিছনে না করে।
Thank you, Madam Chief Minister. Honorable Mayor saying something. Thank you very much, Madam Chief Minister. Good afternoon to everybody. I was just thinking that as the stupendous success of this whole schemes, which are, engulf all the other small schemes and packaging them into this vast kind of award, do you actually wish to target as a game changer in the administration of West Bengal? এটা কি খেলা ঘুরিয়ে দেওয়ার মতো একটা প্রকল্প বলে আপনি মনে করবেন?
আমরা এটা অলরেডি আমি বলেছি যে আমরা যেটাকে ক্ষমতায় এসে 500 রিভিউ মিটিং করব, মোর দ্যান 500। ইভেন আমরা গেছি জেলা কিন্তু আসেনি। I along with my cabinet ministers and the officials, all we went there. সুতরাং আগে যখন কলকাতা ডেট পাঠাতো, আমরা কিন্তু নিজেরা গেছি এবং সেই প্রসেসটা ওভার হওয়ার পর এভরি ইয়ার উই ডু ইট, এবং প্রত্যেকটা জেলায় গিয়ে আমরা করি। সেই প্রসেসটা ওভার হওয়ার পরে আমরা দেখেছি যে কিছু প্রবলেম আছে, যেগুলো একটু স্পেশালি ক্যাম্প করলে শর্ট হয়ে যেতে পারে, এবং এটা মানুষের ঘরের সামনে করলে যত সম্ভব হয়, বাইরে তত হয়। বাইরে হয়তো তাকে আবার হেঁটে যেতে হবে, আবার অত দূর যেতে হবে। এখানে তাকে বাইরে যেতে হচ্ছে না, বাড়ির সামনে দুয়ারে ক্যাম্প, দরজার সামনেই পেয়ে যাচ্ছে। সুতরাং কারো একটা সার্টিফিকেট নেই, সে বলছে আমাকে একটা সার্টিফিকেট দিন, কাস্ট সার্টিফিকেট। কারো একটা পেনশন নেই, সে বলছে আমাকে পেনশন দিন। কারো একটা স্কলারশিপ নেই, সে বলছে আমাকে একটা স্কলারশিপ দিন। কারো স্বাস্থ্যসাথী নেই, স্বাস্থ্যসাথী চাইছে। এই যে জিনিসগুলো চাইছে এবং সঙ্গে সঙ্গে সেটাকে করা হচ্ছে, ডেলিভারি করা হচ্ছে, এটা বড়।
Exactly, that's what I was asking. And what actually struck?
এটা তো মিডিয়া বলবে, আমি বলবো।
If you say we'll report it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
নিজেদের দায়িত্ব নিজেকে পালন করো।
Thank you very much.
এবার সেটা কি করবেন? বিশ্ব, অঞ্জন এসছে, বিবেক, গুপ্তা,
এসছি না।
বললে কিছু ছোট করবো।
যারা ক্যাম্পে আসতে পারছে না, সিনিয়র সিটিজেন আর
তাদের লোক বাড়িতে কষ্ট হবে। সবকিছু গভর্নমেন্ট করতে পারে না, কেউ না কেউ তার বাড়ি থেকে আসতেই হবে। It is not that they have to come. That is why your data, your fund, your relatives, you have to help them senior citizens. It is your moral duty to help them. আর আমরা খবর পেলেই আমরা দিই, আমরা কোভিডের সময় সব বাড়ি বাড়ি খাওয়ার পর পাঠিয়েছি। অবশ্য
Didi, first of all, I give thanks to you and your other officials who are doing this excellent job. But there is a confusion. The confusion WhatsApp University মাধ্যমে ছড়ানো হচ্ছে যে একটা ফ্যামিলিতে 5 লাখ টাকা প্রত্যেক বছর। এই ব্যাপারটা এরকম না, প্রত্যেকেই 5 লাখ টাকা করে স্বাস্থ্যসাথী কার্ড দেওয়া হচ্ছে। যদি ক্যালিফাই করে আমার মনে হয় সেটা বেটার হবে।
One family 5 lakhs. Means একটা ফ্যামিলিতে দুজন লোক থাকতে পারে, 2 members. একটা ফ্যামিলিতে আবার একটা মেম্বার থাকতে পারে। একটা ফ্যামিলিতে 5 জন থাকতে পারে, এই ডিপেন্ডস।
5 লাখ টাকা পার ফ্যামিলি।
হ্যাঁ। পার ফ্যামিলি মানে কি? 10 জন ফ্যামিলিতে এখন আর নেই। এখন সবাই ছোট ছোট ফ্যামিলি, স্মল ফ্যামিলি।
ঠিক আছে। ওকে।
Mr. Tawfiq Hassan, Deputy High Commissioner, Bangladesh for University.
হ্যাঁ, বাংলাদেশের বন্ধু বলুন।
জি, নমস্কার।
জয় বাংলা।
First of all, I would like to thank you very much for this presentation on your two commendable scheme, Royal Shortcut and Fire Samadhan. Actually, I was personally very much interested to know more about this thing, and really I'm very much happy to be here today. Today, I would like to know more about your Konasri project, under which I think you provide the bicycle for the girls. As you know, Bangladesh is exporting bicycles to many countries, including the European countries as well. So actually, we'll be very happy to be a part of your noble endeavor by supplying bicycles from Bangladesh. So if you can...
আপনি এখানে একটা ইন্ডাস্ট্রি তৈরি করুন, তাহলে হয়ে যাবে। সাইকেল ইন্ডাস্ট্রি একটা তৈরি করুন, আপনি অর্ডার পেয়ে যাবেন। আমরা প্রতি বছর 10 লাখ স্টুডেন্টস দিই। হ্যাঁ, আপনার সাইকেল ভালো হয়, আমি জানি। কিন্তু আপনি একটা কারখানা তো করবেন, করলেই তো পেয়ে যাবেন। এটা আপনাদের আমি আগে বলেছি, হাসিনারি যখন এসেছিলেন, ওনাকেও আমি বলেছি। একটু মনে করিয়ে দেবেন।
আমি কিছু বলছি
আমি
এখন বাংলাদেশ থেকে আমি এসেছি, আর এটা বাংলাদেশে যে এটা হিউজ স্বপ্ন, পরিকল্পনা, কিন্তু সেটা শেষ পর্যন্ত আমার সহকর্মীরা বলেছেন, শেষ পর্যন্ত যদি ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশনটা হয়,
ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশন অলরেডি হয়ে গেছে,
যা হচ্ছে
77% অলরেডি ইমপ্লিমেন্টেড।
এক্স্যাক্টলি, আমি অরিন্দম
মানে within this 1 month, whatever we have received the application, 78%, about 78% is already done, and other left, whatever is left out, your brother will do it.
Thank you.
Kushal last.
আজকে স্বাস্থ্যসাথী প্রকল্প বা কন্যাশ্রী একটা ঘটনা, বিচ্ছিন্ন ঘটনা নয়, এটা আমরা মনে করছি। এই সরকার আসার পর থেকে বিশেষত যখন আমরা অবাক হয়ে যেতাম, তখন চিফ সেক্রেটারি এবং এতজন সেক্রেটারি, মন্ত্রীকে নিয়ে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী জেলায় গিয়ে প্রশাসনিক বৈঠক করতো, যেটি খুব হাসাহাসি স্তরে নিয়েও দেওয়া হয়েছে, অর্থ বোঝা যায় তখন। অর্থাৎ সরকারটা আর শহরে নেই, সরকার তখন থেকে দুয়ারে রয়েছে, দুয়ারে পৌঁছে গেছে। সেখান থেকে শুরু করে যদি এই
10 বছরের একটা ধারাবাহিকতা দেখা যায়, তাহলে স্বাস্থ্যসাথী বা দুয়ারে সরকার তার একটা চূড়ান্ত বিপদ। আমার ধারণা, আমার জানা নেই, মার্কিন যুক্তরাষ্ট্র, ইউরোপ, রাশিয়া, কোন উন্নয়নশীল দেশে এখনো পর্যন্ত এমন এক ধরনের হেলথ ইন্স্যুরেন্স চালু করতে পেরেছে কি আমার জানা নেই, যেখানে
ফুল ফ্রি অফ ট্রিটমেন্ট,
ভারতবর্ষ স্বাধীনতার এতদিন পরে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার এখনো পারেনি, কিন্তু একটা রাজ্য সরকার পারবে। এই পাড়াটা
even we give school dress, the shoe for children, we give 100 days meal, we give even COVID time also, we have sent their houses, house to house, the food.
যদি এই অ্যাচিভমেন্টটা সর্বভারতীয় স্তরে কতটা ছড়িয়েছে তা নিয়ে আমার সন্দেহ আছে, বিশেষত যেখানে আরো বেশি ছড়ানোর দরকার ছিল, অর্থাৎ আন্তর্জাতিক স্তর, যেখানে আপনার ভাবনা এবং প্রকল্প আন্তর্জাতিক স্তরে একটা মডেল হতে পারে, যেমন ল্যান্ড পলিসি হয়েছে, সেই জায়গায় আমরা পৌঁছতে পারছি না।
Our Community have got United Nations first public prize.
সেই প্রাইজ আরো বিভিন্ন প্রকল্পে পাওয়ার কথা।
There are so many Sokusati and others. We have received 3-4 international awards, of course.
এটিকে আরো কোনোভাবে ব্যাপকভাবে প্রসার করা যায়, কারণ সরকার আসবে, সরকার যাবে, একটা সরকার কখনো চিরস্থায়ী নয়, কিন্তু একটা প্রকল্প, একটা ভাবনা, সেটা চিরস্থায়ী, সেটা রেকগনাইজ।
যে সরকার ভালো কাজ করে সে চিরস্থায়ী আবার অনেক সময় হয়ে যায়, পার্মানেন্ট সেটেলমেন্ট, চিরস্থায়ী বন্দোবস্ত করেছি তো ইংরেজে, আমাদের ইতিহাস করলেই জানতে পারবে। দেবদীপ কোথায় সে?
টেলিগ্রাফে রাজাগোপাল ম্যাডাম বিশেষ প্রতিনিধি হিসেবে দেবদীপকে পাঠিয়ে এডিটর রাজাগোপাল।
Yes, দেবদীপ বলো।
Thank you very much, Madam Chief Minister, for this. I have just one point to make, that this Duare Sarkar has created so much of excitement in rural Bengal. You know, the collateral gains has been the several other schemes about which people didn't know. You know, I mean, one of my colleagues from the districts, he told me that, you know, there are schemes like, even if there is a case of snake bite, even then the government gives money. You know, the problem, I mean, as a journalist, the way I look at it is, yes, Duare Sarkar is a major scheme, Atai Samadhan, and there is Shastro-Shati, through which a lot of people are getting a lot of benefit.
Even for cremation also we give money, for cremation also.
But
even for coffin also we give money, 2,000 rupees.
Yes, but there are several other schemes. In case of this government, there have been so many schemes, and you know, in remotest of Bengal, in rural areas, people probably don't know about their entitlements. You know, it's very important for the government so that they reach out in terms of letting people know that these are your entitlements.
If they do not know how these people they have received,
No, obviously, I mean they are.
Now they know.
That's
Now
the
they know.
benefit, you know, that they are.
That's why
That they are
special
coming.
camp is been organized.
Yes. Thank you.
আমাদের লোকাল প্রেস রুমও আছে, they are all here. লোকাল প্রেস রুম আমাদের আজকে তাহলে আমাদের ম্যাডাম তথ্য সচিব, আমার ইনফরমেশন সেক্রেটারি শান্তনু বাসু বলেছে। Kindly join us over tea post this. Just behind this, there is a lounge. Kindly join the Chief Minister and all of us for a tea.
And after tea, as this
Local media friends, city media friends, multinational agencies, international bodies, international banks, respected consul generals, deputy high commissioners, department and district officials, everyone else, along with our three honorable ministers who are present here with us today, Mr. Parthu Chatterjee, Dr. Mukherjee, and Dr. Priya Hakim, and everybody else. Thanks for joining us here and celebrating the spectacular and stupendous success of Duare Sarkar and Duare Samadhan programs of Government of West Bengal, and wishing further success in the coming days. Thank you all once again.